Hello and welcome to MLOps Minutes. So in this video we're going to do something very simple, which is to call the server-side API from a client, which is not the web interface, but which this time will be a tool, which for this demo is Postman. So if we go back to the home page with the readme.md, you can see that there's a test document already set up with a configuration file for Postman. Now that's handy because it will enable you to play with the API fairly quickly. I've already launched Postman because it takes a while to get going. And I'm going to select my directory in which I have my documentation. So MLOps, so it's not here, GitHub, MLOps Python documentation, Postman. I do import, it scans my directory and sees its configuration file. And so I have an API call here that just appeared. And I can see a call to HTTP in post mode to the URL localhost 8000/upload. In the body here of my HTTP post, I can see a key file with my example document plugged in. So if I make the call here, I'll be able to go to the server side. It'll call my server side, which is working. And voila, pretty soon I've got feedback from my API where I'll be able to see the predictions of my different images, my PDF. So here I have cat, cat, dog, cat. So I made my first API call as if I were a web client, but this time I used the tool and the server. It's exactly this data in JSON format, in this format. Thank you and see you in the next video.